We're back to see how much fun we can have today. How much fun we can have. Let's start having fun now. How much fun can we have today? Another day when we find out how much fun we can have. You're my favorite partner for a lot of things. Cooking, laughing. Yeah. All right, we will see you back when we see how much fun we can have another day. And we're here to see how much fun we can have today. Okay, Boone wants to work. Are we gonna work? This is not work. This is fun. Again, and we'll see how much fun we can have another day. Yeah. Are you ready to see how much fun we can have today? Let's see how much fun we can have today. Okay. Are you ready to see how much fun we can have today? All right, Boone, are you ready to see how much fun we can have today? Yeah. And we're about to see how much fun we can have today. Are you excited? You're joining us today. We had fun. Did you have fun?
Yes.
Yes. Let's see how much fun we can have another day. Right? We're going to see how much fun we can have another day. How much fun are we going to have today? Are you ready to see how much fun we can have today? Yes.